Hey, Tada. Today it's 11 years since the mayor passed away. Sadly, there's been no justice for the mayor family, no justice for his friends, no justice for the public at large. How can someone so high profile just passes away and people are not arrested? I'm talking about real shooters, not those accused that are in court. So it will be interesting to see how the case proceeds, but this morning I saw something very disturbing. I saw Newsroom Africa interviewing the mother of Sanzmeyiwa, and she was crying a lot, saying that her son passed away and yet no justice has been done. Now uthi ucela into eyodwa nje akasafuni ukuthi kuboshwe umuntu, uthi ucela nje ukuthi iqiniso, ufuna ukwazi ukuthi okay yini eyenzeka on that day. She wants the truth only now. She doesn't care about anyone being arrested. So if the people in the house are willing to confess and tell the truth ukuthi kwenzakalani, they must just request a meeting, makasenzo, and just tell the truth ukuthi kwenzakalani. Basho ukuthi okay usenzo wadubuleka ngephutha, bacacise nje kalula, hayi into enzima lapho, because that's all she wants now. She wants the truth. But the case continues tomorrow and we shall see ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Danko.